Cats are known for their mysterious and independent nature, but one of the most fascinating aspects of their behavior is their wide range of vocalizations. Unlike dogs, which rely heavily on body language and barking, cats use a variety of sounds to communicate with humans and other animals. From gentle purrs to demanding meows and even unusual chirps, every sound a cat makes has meaning behind it. Some vocalizations are instinctual, while others are learned over time, often as a way to interact with their human companions. Here are 5 awesome facts about cat vocalizations that reveal just how complex and intelligent these animals truly are. One of the most surprising facts about cat vocalizations is that adult cats primarily meow to communicate with humans, not with each other. In the wild, feral cats rarely meow to one another, instead relying on body language and scent marking to establish relationships and territory. However, domestic cats have adapted their meows as a way to interact with their owners, almost as if they are developing a unique language for human communication. Many cat owners can recognize specific meows from their feline companions. A short, high-pitched meow might mean, "feed me," while a drawn-out, almost complaining meow could be a request for attention. Some cats even develop distinct meows that they use exclusively with their favorite humans, almost like a personal dialect. This remarkable ability to tailor their vocalizations to communicate with people shows just how intelligent and adaptable cats are. Another fascinating aspect of cat vocalizations is the purr, one of the most soothing and mysterious sounds in the animal kingdom. While most people associate purring with contentment, research suggests that cats also purr when they are in pain, anxious, or even trying to heal themselves. The frequency of a cat's purr falls between 25 and 150 Hz, a range known to promote tissue healing and reduce stress in both cats and humans. Some scientists believe that purring may have evolved as a self-soothing mechanism, helping cats recover from injuries or stay calm in stressful situations. Interestingly, many cat owners report that their cats purr more loudly when they are sick or in discomfort, as if they are trying to signal that they need comfort or care. Additionally, some cats will use their purring strategically to get what they want from their humans, incorporating higher-pitched sounds into their purrs that mimic the cries of a human baby, a sound that humans are naturally wired to respond to. The less common but equally fascinating cat vocalization is the chirp or trill, a sound that often confuses cat owners who are unfamiliar with it. Unlike meows, which are directed at humans, chirps are typically used by mother cats to call their kittens or by cats who are excited and trying to get their owner's attention. Some cats will chirp when they see birds outside the window, almost as if they are trying to talk to them or express frustration at not being able to catch them. This sound is usually associated with excitement, anticipation, or a playful mood. Some cat owners report that their cats chirp when they want their humans to follow them, almost like an invitation to play or explore something interesting. Trilling is also a way for cats to express friendliness and affection, often used as a greeting when they approach their favorite humans or feline friends. One of the most dramatic and unsettling cat vocalizations is the yowl, a long, drawn-out sound that is often mistaken for a cry of distress. While yowling can sometimes indicate pain or discomfort, it is more commonly associated with mating behavior, territorial disputes, or even cognitive decline in older cats. Unspayed and unneutered cats yowl to attract mates, and this sound can be heard from impressive distances. Cats also use yowling as a form of long-distance communication with other felines, especially in situations where they are establishing dominance or warning rivals to stay away. In older cats, excessive yowling can sometimes be a sign of cognitive dysfunction, similar to dementia in humans. Some elderly cats become more vocal as they become disoriented or confused, especially at night when their surroundings feel less familiar. Understanding the different reasons behind yowling can help cat owners respond appropriately, whether it's providing comfort to an aging cat or considering spaying and neutering to prevent mating-related vocalizations. Perhaps the most impressive thing about cat vocalizations is their ability to manipulate their voices to influence human behavior. Unlike dogs, which rely on instinctual barks and whines, cats often adjust the tone, pitch, and intensity of their meows to get specific reactions from their owners. Some studies suggest that cats are highly skilled at using their vocalizations to train humans rather than the other way around. For example, a cat might use a soft, pleading meow when asking for food but a sharp, demanding meow if their request is ignored. Some cats even combine different sounds, such as meows mixed with purring, to create an irresistible noise that humans find difficult to ignore. This ability to modify vocalizations based on human responses shows that cats are not only great communicators but also skilled manipulators who have learned how to get exactly what they want. Cat vocalizations are far more complex than most people realize, serving as a sophisticated form of communication between felines and humans. From the meows developed specifically for human interaction to the self-healing power of purring, the excited chirps, the dramatic yowls, and their ability to manipulate their voices to get what they want, cats prove time and again that they are intelligent, adaptable, and highly attuned to their surroundings. Paying attention to these vocal cues can help cat owners better understand their feline companions, strengthening the unique bond between humans and their mysterious, talkative pets.